Welcome back to Clark's Art Culinary. We're making cheese eggs. And we'll be using a nice piece of hoop cheese. And if you can't find hoop cheese, just get yourself a nice piece of cheddar. And this piece right here is about a half a pound.
We'll only be using half of the slice of cheese.
Be sure to remove the wax. And we're going to cut this up into small cubes. This recipe serves 2 people, so we're going to use 4 eggs. The eggs will be scrambled, so we're going to go ahead and whip these up. I have the temperature set to medium, and I'm going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter in the pan. Be sure to coat the entire bottom of the pan and a little bit of the sides. Give the eggs 1 final whip and pour them into the pan. Take your spatula and just gently drag it through the eggs to create long, beautiful ribbons of egg. Once the eggs are no longer running, cut the heat, and now we'll add in the hoop cheese. And we're going to stir the hoop cheese around in the eggs until it starts to melt. And as soon as the cheese starts melting, you're ready to serve. This is the way cheese eggs should look. You should always be able to see the cheese. You can always sprinkle with a little black pepper if you like. And we're going to go in for a little taste. I used to love cheese eggs as a child, and this really brings back some memories. I hope you all really enjoy this recipe. Be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.